Hi and welcome back. So this is where we ended the last video, and before I go on, I want you to know that we are currently looking at array literals, but later on we are going to look at arrays in detail. Now you can see here we have 3 elements. Now the thing about JavaScript is that you don't have to declare the size of the array. The size of the array can grow dynamically. So if I come here and I say let's access element 4, and we don't have element 4, right? We only go up to 0, 1, 2. So if I try to show the value of this, display that, you'll see that it tells us that element 4 is undefined, and JavaScript has created that element for us. So now if we come here and let's continue looking at people, and we try to display the elements which are there, you'll see that it gives us 3 elements. But if I give this a value, let me remove this bit, I don't need up to that bit. If I come here and I give this array a value, let's give it 12, right? And then now let's see what elements we have inside of this array. If I display, you'll see that it gives us 1, 2, 3, and then an empty array in there, an empty element in there, and then 12. So the thing about JavaScript, and we're going to look at this later on once we get into array literals as well. The thing about JavaScript, array elements will grow dynamically. So if you add something, that will increase the size of the array. Like you can see here, we created this array 4 and we gave it a value. And after doing that, JavaScript assumed that the third element will also be there, but let's just make it undefined. It is empty. And let's add the 4th element. You know, arrays are contiguous elements, meaning that they border each other. You can't skip one array. So even though there is nothing to put here, this array space was just created and you can add something later on. So that's why JavaScript knows that arrays are contiguous elements, and therefore it did not skip this. It created it as an empty element with undefined. There is nothing in there. And then it went to the 4th one and added our element. So that's what it assumed. So I hope you're understanding what I mean by this, and I just wanted to show you that bit where arrays in JavaScript are dynamic, unlike in other programming languages whereby once you set the size of the array will remain static like you directed it when you are creating that particular array. So that's what I wanted to look at in this video, and in the next video let's continue on looking at array literals. So I'll see you in the next video.